You perform like you're supposed to, God will bring the results. What's up, peeps? Coach CalvinGoHardRichard, and I want to share with you something that I'm really excited about. I've been searching for this filling a gap in this particular area. There's something we know that nutrition is a major part of changing your body, changing your losing the fat, losing the inches, all those different things, and nutrition is a huge part of it. So for the last about 2 years or so, we've been having a local company to provide meals for individuals, healthy meal options, because it's one thing is we know that planning will do a great job as far as helping you get your results as far as meal planning. If you can actually start at the beginning of the week and making a bunch of meals, it will help you not make any bad decisions along the way, because you already provided that situation. One thing is even better if you can actually have the meals in front of you and done for you. Makes a big difference. Only problem is I've got a lot of folks in other places that's not local that need meal plan options, and I've been searching for some different options. So what came across my desk is an option from Prestige Labs, done for you meals, which is pretty excited about. Just want to unbox it for you guys and kind of get a little bit of idea of what it's about. So this came next day. The day they cook it, then it ships out the next day. So this is like 2 days or a day. It's actually flash frozen, packed in dry ice, and insulated. Like it came in still cold and the whole nine. Here's the deal. I actually left it out yesterday. Nobody knew that it was actually here, what it was. Opened it this morning, very clean, and here. So packaging in, first thing you see is my order. I can check it out and make sure everything was legit. The things that I ordered, and I ordered 8. You can get 8, 12, or 16 different meals, and there's 12 different options as far as proteins, and the sides are all vary out and whatnot. They also have vegan patty options as well, so everybody's covered with this. So from here, everything is super, like I said, solid as all get out. It's not going to get messed up. Almost knocked down the tripod. So anyhow, coming from here, it's insulated all the way throughout, and everything's packed super nice. Now I've already taken 2 of the meals out, so I'm just kind of going back and showing you what it looks like from here. But they come packaged together and linked together like this. So once you pull them apart, like some of these were pulled apart earlier, here are the meals. This one is red potato wedges and broccoli with 6 ounces of steak. You can choose between 4 ounces or 6 ounces to get exactly what you need there. This one here is brisket. I know I have my salmon one at home. This is one that is with cod, done for you. There's cod, everything. And here's the deal. Everything is vacuum sealed to keep in the freshness, so that's actually pretty cool. This one has red potato wedges and green beans. Okay, so I've got different options of different ones there. You got ground turkey, chicken. Here's my salmon. Can't wait to get the salmon one. I ordered 2 of those, so there. How much you can see it there. I think it's backwards on the video, but anyhow, you better deal with it. So once again, very secure, very good. And what it comes down to, one thing they do is they don't have any seasoning at all. Okay, but first I was like, why would you not put sauces, different seasons into it? Because everyone has their own preferences. They give you an opportunity for you to season as you wish. There's tons of different options out there for us adding some seasoning, sauces. I'm from Louisiana, so we're gonna have Tony's and everything. Tony saturated. So I get it. The office got it at home. You may or may not have, my wife or other folks from Louisiana might just have a little bit of this in their purse. Just saying, one option. But of course, there's a lot of different healthy options online. You can find as far as different sauces and things of that sort, because everyone, it gives you the options. You may want to add some Thai seasoning. You may want to add some jerk seasoning. You may do some things to keep it fresh and so their basis is to give you the simplicity of it and allow you to adapt accordingly. So I'm going to do the taste test in a little bit. I'm not sure if that's going to be on this video or the second one, but I'll let you guys know. But as far as, I'm pretty excited. It looks delicious. It looks like it's, top notch. I'll let you guys know more about it. And of course, there'll be some links in the bottom for you guys to be able to grab it yourself. So let's see what we got going on. But you'll love this. But like I said, I'll do the video and add to this to let you know what it tastes like. All right, so let me continue on with this here. So one thing that's really cool on top of this, I didn't get the chance to see it. It's going to be backwards on here, but you'll see here are the macros. Right on top of it says done for you meals, 620 calories for this one, 48 grams of protein, 34 grams of carbs, 32 grams of fats, 2 grams of fiber, and sodium 290 micrograms. Instructions are right here. It tells you exactly what to do and how to heat it. Nutrition facts. All the ingredients are listed right here as well. So you got everything in front of you. So you pull off this label here. I'm going to show it from the second one. Here's the meal. Once again, I'm going to put it in the microwave and let it go. So keep it right in the plastic. It's going to actually possibly pop a little bit and raise up. It's going to be fine. Then I remove everything from it. So they say about a minute and a half, 2 minutes to do it from if it's thawed out. But if it's still frozen, or if you actually put it in the freezer, you can save these for later. You can put it right in the freezer in about 4 minutes for that too. So I'm going to let this come through and we'll see what happens from there. All right, so here we go. It came out the microwave. I'm going to pull off the top one here. Looks extremely fresh, looks delicious. Like I said, I've got the steak, broccoli, and potato wedges. All right. So as I said before, Louisiana. Let me just take a look there. Yeah, look at the steam coming off of there. Doesn't look like it's hard or anything like. Once again, I'm gonna Cajuanize this because that's what we do in Louisiana. We're gonna Cajuanize stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw a little bit of Tony's in there. There's a chance I may use some barbecue sauce or something like that at some point in time. But let me just get a quick taste here. Broccoli. It's still crisp. Hot. I put it on 2 minutes. Probably could go a minute and a half, a minute 45. That was strong microwave. Just saying. All right. That's the broccoli. Tasty. Just with that, you might throw some butter on there later on. I mean, I may do that, but it isn't needed as long as I got some Tony's. Tony's will save everything. I'm just letting you know. All right. So. Potatoes off the chain. Say Tony's is enough. I don't need anything else on top of that. Potato wedge. You can get rice, mashed potato. Get rice. Different options. You'll see that when you get in there and place your order. All right. Now for the big test. What does the meat taste like? A meatitarian like myself want to make sure that this is obviously good. Oh yeah. So anyhow, it was so good that I knocked down the camera. Anyhow, very tasty. I approve. Coach Calvin approved. Boom, there's the stamp of approval. If it's something you're interested in, the link is below. Done for you meals. You can get a lot of different options. Peep the link. This is a game changer in regards to what you need to do for your nutrition. Make things easier for yourself. People don't understand that your time is what you can't get back. You can't put value on the time. You cannot get that back. You can get back your money. You can get back energy. It's hard to get back again. But your time. This saves so much time and it tastes delicious. A lot of options that you can go with. So peep game. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know. But all the information will be down in the comments below or in the links below. So, all right, get it done. God bless. Go hard to go home. Peace. Meals. Eat well.